got, son?
3.
Got one of them baby birds?
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Cute.
He's cute.
Can we keep him as a pet?
Well, wild birds do not make good pets.
Are these wild?
Yeah, he's a robin.
Wait, so isn't there going to be another nest by our house?
Well, next year, they only make the nest once a year, I think.
I want to keep him. He's so cute and fluffy.
He is fluffy, huh?
You can hug him all I want.
There he goes.
Why do robins hurt?
They don't hurt.
But like when they're grown, they try to like kill you.
They don't try to kill you. They were protecting their baby. That's why they were saying, "Get away from my baby." Did you see?
But if there ain't a baby, will they still attack?
Nah. And you see, he pooped on my arm. The big mommy pooped on my arm because she said, "Get away from my baby," and she flew over me and tried to get me.
And then she was like, "That's what you get."
Yeah.
But she.
Can you set him on the ground? We can watch him hop away. Set him on the ground. Let him hop away so he go to his mommy and daddy.
I think he like community doesn't want to hop.
Yep. Come this way. Around him. Okay. Leave him right there, and we'll let him go. Let's go back in the house so he can get with his mommy and daddy. His mommy and daddy are gonna try to get him. See, his mommy's up there in that tree.
Real reasons why robins try to attack you is because Daddy,
What?
do you want me to try to catch the big one?
Nah, the big birds are too hard to catch because they can fly.
Very good, but do you want me to try to catch a baby bird without your help?
Well, not that one. He's too afraid. He's going out front. Go around the front of him and chase him out in the backyard.
That one?
Yeah, go around the front, get in front of him, and make him come this way.
I'm going to.
Get in front of him and make him come out this way. Is he out there?
Yep.
Chase him back this way. Don't hurt him.
Because we don't want him to get ran over, right?
All right. Those mama birds say, "Get away from my baby, you human."
Well, I'm trying to keep the baby good eye on.
Yeah, you're trying to help him make sure he's okay.
Hey, no to the road, right?
What?
We can't let our eyes off of him. Or the mom and dad, right?
Right. Mom and dad up in them trees watching us.
Look. Do you want me to catch it?
No, we won't catch him no more. He's tired out.